Okay guys, let's start with this lot. I would like to give the scrap whisperers on my channel group the chance to choose. Okay, let's give Bryce first a chance. What do you say, Bryce? What scrap do you want to see work again? Okay, you say the heat gun. Righto. Let's take the heat gun. It showed a plug. Okay, let's, Matt, what do you say? Okay, the saw. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, see you in the workshop. Okay guys, look at my setup. I've got a 12 volt battery there. That is for the generator. If it is too weak, which I don't believe for this test, I've got my positive there and a negative. And then I've got the negative from the battery on the casing. And I've got the positive here on the positive. And then also a loose wire. That is the exciting wire from the ignition. That's where I made my fault yesterday. That loose wire in the car, I put it on this lead as well, but it's wrong. It must be on that point, and then the ignition will work. So this is now my test. So I'm going to focus you on this area and not that part. And then let's just touch it quickly and see what the starter do at the Bendix. Let's have a look. Okay, that looks very good, guys. I'm now excited to go to the car. Not now, it rained and it's Sunday. So we will do that tomorrow and see if we can spin the engine. I think this was our problem, this wire that was not on. It might make a difference, but the starter seems to be fine. If you don't want to turn the engine now, there must be something wrong with the ring gear or something, but this seems very strong. And it have a total other sound as well that it had in the car. So let's hold thumbs for the test tomorrow. Okay, let's proceed to the saw and the blower, heat gun. Okay guys, let's start up this saw and see what is the problem. Dead. Totally dead. Okay, let's take the brushes out, guys, and see what is the condition. This is a Ryobi, so by the way, okay, I'll take it out quickly. Okay guys, this is the condition of the brushes. This one doesn't look good at all. This one is still fine. I wonder if that in the center, that is the ground wire or whatever. So I think this bad one came from that side and the good one from this side. Let's just change it around and see if there's any difference. I guess it needs brushes, brushes, so we'll put it aside. Okay, new plug go on. Okay guys, let's see if this have life in. That was not so hot. make a little bit hot, but not as it should be. Okay guys, I take the motor and put it aside here. And I'm now going to start it and see if we can see any red elements in there. I will position you correctly. There are some elements that you can see, and if that don't turn right or red, there's actually nothing we can do about it. Then it must go to an electronic guy or buy a new one. I really don't know how to fix that electronic components that might be broken. Okay, I'm going to put you like this. I'm going to put it already on hot and just plug it in. And let's see what happened. Motor will, you will hear the motor on the bottom here. Okay. Whoa, whoa. I hope it doesn't burn out now. Let's put it back together. Okay guys, I'm going to do the same test. This is now with the switch on number 1. And I have the motor here to provide a little bit of wind. Let's see if that vicious element will also come on. Yes, a little bit. Can you see? Okay guys, this is a failure. I put it back together and it stays the same. It's cooler than a hairdryer on its hottest. Okay guys, let's go in. Okay, look there. I see the hammer action just there. There's the hammer action there. And here is the drive. So it might be that is, I think there's our problem. Maybe this bush is worn out. Okay, I'll bring you back in a short while. Okay guys, let's take this part off. If we can. That thing mustn't jump out of place. Then I have problems. There's a hammer action. Okay, there's no play on that bushing. Maybe that one. There is some damage. There is some damage. Can you see there? It looks over here. It is egg shape. So that's why the shaft go into the egg side and it don't touch there. So I wonder, what can I do? Can this turn? There's a problem. Okay guys, let me investigate and see if there's anything we can do about it. Okay guys, I'm going to take this whole piece out. I just want to see how it fits in together. At the bottom, I must just check this plate. I believe it must go into, you see there at the bottom, there is a place that it must hook in or something. And there's a little ball in the inside. So I just must make sure I know how it came out. There fly everything. And it will not come off. Okay guys, I give it a thought, and the only thing that I think we can do, or the owner can do, is order a new piece of this. But this is a German machine, and I don't know, or maybe there's agents in South Africa. But he will have to order this piece, or I can put a blob of salt welding in there and file it so that the shaft can fit there. Not drill, because the drill will run off. It must be a precision setup if you want to drill it. So I can maybe file it with a little round file up there. So that's the only thing. I can see what we can do here. Okay guys, what I've done is, for a temporary solution, I overchecked everything, and I see there's a gap here, a significant gap, about 3/4 of a millimeter, that this block can move up and down. So I have a piece of shim stock, you can see there, and I press a shim stock between this and that in, so this moves the whole assembly up. So now it will work. If you see, I'm not sure how good, but let's put it back together. I will in any case discuss this with the owner, and he must decide if he want to order a new piece here, which will be expensive, I think. And because that's all you can do, or as I mentioned, maybe weld it up and file it. But it rains now, so I can't do that trick, and I will in any case ask the permission to do that by the owner. Okay my friends, let me put it back together and then we can test it. Okay guys, I'm going to be brief. My camera will die. Let's test it on hammer. Now this is normal. Work. And that is only drill. So that's plan work. It is temporary. I'll discuss it with the owner as I mentioned. Okay guys, I'm going to stop here. The rest is electrical, battery operated stuff, and I haven't got the charging stations. So see you on the next one, and I'm looking forward for the Golf starter to be put in. Right my friends, hope you like it, and see you. Bye bye.